today, Cyril?
Cooking up some jam fucking damper
Fuck
slash
yeah.
scones.
Oh, well, let's see what you got, eh?
Let's bloody start. Bit of flour. You need flour, sugar, coconut milk, honey,
Oh, it's got it all
vanilla
going.
essence,
It's got it all going, but look at
coconut powder.
the background, people. Look at the background. You can't cook like this in your kitchen, can you? I don't fucking think so.
You can try.
I bet you won't get close.
Right, bloody couple of cups there. Don't measure anything out. That's where you go wrong, measuring shit, you know?
That'll do.
So all that, you need a couple of
A little bit of magic in every bowl.
eggs, bit of milk,
Oh,
bit of butter. That's it.
and a bit of serenity.
Oh,
Oh, you nearly lost it.
I lost it years ago.
2 knobs of butter.
Shuffler,
Just a couple of knobs.
2 knobs, and
Oh,
2
he's
knobs
going
of
for a
butter.
third. Don't knob the butter.
And don't wash your hands before you do this shit. You
Nah.
gotta boost your immune system.
COVID's around us and amongst
that's
us.
right, COVID. Just gotta get it through there.
Look at them little sausage fingers going for it. Oh,
You love them. Well, there's something hard then.
there's something else hard, but we won't talk about that in this episode
How
anyway.
did a stone get in there?
That was me.
Would have been
Stony Creek.
little sabotage boy trying to sue me.
I want me.
I got a stone in my
Oi, I
scone.
want me fucking money back. I got a fucking stone in me scone. They're a bit hard.
Give me a tooth.
Look at these ingredients. Only the finest.
What do we got there?
I don't even know. A
Coconut.
bit of local fucking produce by the look of it.
You can add a bit of that, mate, since you're doing nothing.
Oh, I'm doing plenty. I'm here for the food. I'm here for the end product, mate. The taste tester.
You can taste it. And just put a little bit of this coconut in.
Ooh,
Depends if you like your coconut or not, you know. I love it, so
Every-
fucking heats in.
a bit of nut. Oh, they call him Nut Boy. Oh, a bit of magic.
That's what the ninjas do, eh?
Hmm.
You know when they throw those smoke bombs?
Yeah, it wasn't nothing like that, but
Could have been. Right, mix that in. Mix a bit of brown sugar in. You got your brown sugar, eh? Not too much.
nah.
It's naughty.
Sugar's naughty.
You use honey to make it.
Go up.
You got to go anti-clockwise when you spin them,
Why anti?
because if you go the other way, it binds up.
Ah, it fluffed. Oh, little hits and tips there from Cyril's kitchen.
That's it, mate.
Take note, people.
No, not too much because you don't want it sloppy. You don't. No one likes it sloppy. You do, but
Yeah, but that's me.
some people do.
Each to their own. Each to their own.
Some people like sloppy damper.
You get what you get, and you don't get upset, mate. That's what it is.
I just crack a little bit because I don't want to use it all. Just a little bit.
Oh,
It's a bit
it's
sick.
just dribbling out the end of yours. It'd be like that these days.
That's the story of my life.
Oh, dribbles.
Like when you mix in mud, you know?
Yeah.
You get yelled at by the boss, so you just put a little bit in.
Oh, look at him fluff it in. Let's have a closer look here. Oh, look at it. The sun's going down. Oh, fucking dessert's on its way. Well, what more could you ask for?
Happy ending.
Yeah, well,
Bit more of this because
it's not. It needs a bit of moisture.
it needs a bit of more milk. Oh, I forgot honey, eh? Bit of coconut. Make it a good old mess here.
You got to.
Good, Lauren will clean it up. What? Why bring a camping there? Lauren!
It's out of control.
A little bit of fucking honey.
They're out of control.
Just a little bit.
That's naughty.
A bit more. That's it.
We don't discriminate here on Cyril's kitchen rules.
A little bit more.
Oh, Cyril's kitchen rules.
Oh, eggs. I forgot about the eggs.
How many? Couple of.
And always chuck these
Oh,
next
how's
to
a
swag
little-
so goannas come in.
Well, how's a little one-handed egg crack then? That was a bit tricky. You dropped the shell in then.
Throw these next to your mate's swag so they attract like snakes and goannas. Dingoes. No
Oh.
dingoes here. We're on the wrong island for dingoes.
Yes. Look at it smushing up.
Yeah. This is the bit where you got to get air into it, eh? Bulk air. This big, dirty.
Should we get the air compressor?
Let's through your fingers. This is where you don't want to wash your hands, this bit. This is
Where you lick 'em.
Bacteria galore. You do. Just want to feel that stomach rumbling after you eat this stuff.
The bacteria is what makes the meal.
That's it.
It makes or breaks a man.
Parasites.
Yeah, it makes or breaks a man.
As I'm speaking, there's spit actually going in
Yeah,
my mouth.
I've seen
this.
that.
Yeah. We'll put it on slow-mo later.
Yum. Look at them.
See, if you've done it right, it just comes off the bowl. There's no sticking. Play with it until it starts sort of going into a little ball in your hands. You know about balls in your hands.
Yeah, you gotta knead the balls in your hands. Look at it. If he drops that, it's game over. Oh, shit. Oh, yes.
That would suck.
It would.
Then you like spin it like a pizza.
Whoa! Fucking that got me in the face.
Smash it down. So it's like workable.
Oh, it's starting.
Then you gotta knead it. You just keep smacking it
Oh, you're so needy.
till like, see the bits go flying.
Yeah, one got me in the eye.
You want.
Oh,
You just gotta slap it.
oh, slap it. Look at it.
That's what you
That's
do.
how you get the fucking fluff into it.
Slap it.
You don't want to slap it.
Oh, Jared forgot to put vanilla essence in it, didn't he?
You don't. No, it's not. Never too late.
Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Oh,
that's why.
I was
You didn't-
I was
you
drinking
didn't.
it. I had a little swig before.
It's pretty strong, the old vanilla essence.
Bit of vanilla bean.
Just a couple of little drizzles. That's all you want.
You should be using actual vanilla bean.
Lauren's got a lot to clean up when she gets back.
Oh well, therefore.
That's the
Little
vanilla
crunch
essence you
finger.
want.
Yep. Little crunch fingers. Look at his fingers.
Let's zoom in on the vanilla bit.
Nah, I zoomed in on your fucking little sausage fingers.
Now we got to mix that vanilla essence through, so we got to fucking start again, pretty much.
You can hear the waves. What fucking shit flying everywhere. Hey look, he's even got the fucking golf clubs in the kitchen. That's how he rolls, tiger
Alright.
style.
Roll it in a bit of flour. Flour powder, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Roll your hands in a bit of flour powder.
How are we cooking this today?
In that thing right there.
What do we got? Oh, look at it.
Dutch oven, mate.
Little Dutchie.
You know about Dutchies?
Yeah.
Love a Dutchie.
Good old Dutchie, mate. Look at it. Oh, she's all seasoned, ready to go.
Yep.
Look at it, clean as a whistle. Handful of sand wouldn't go astray in there, but we won't do that.
Malcolm Douglas style, mate.
Bit of grit, a bit of crunch in your munch, mate.
More sand than
Bit of-
food, that dude.
Yeah, look at the sunset in the background, but look at it. Yep, the moon.
Oh, bloody look at it.
Check it out. Where else would you want to be?
Right. We're going. That's pretty good. That's what you get. That's the end product there, guys.
Oh, look at it. It does look good. Oh, I slapped it out of his hand. Oh,
Now we got to like stretch it out.
how are we cooking it, but?
Nah.
Yeah, but what, in little segments?
Oh yeah. No, I'm gonna put jam in it yet. So
Oh, are you cooking like one
I'll
big...
make one each, and I just.
Ah, I
I'll show
see,
you.
I
It's
see.
still like 2
Yeah,
hours
yeah,
ago,
yeah.
this video, man.
I see.
So the folks know at home know.
I see what he's getting here.
Stretch it out. Fuck.
Whoa.
It's a bit loose, eh?
It was. Nothing like getting a shot in your face, eh, Sorrel? He's
Yeah.
used to that, but he just dusts it off and keeps going.
I get my matrix on, eh?
He's, nah, semen in the
A
eye.
bit more.
Look at it.
It's like when you're making pizza.
It does
Go,
sound nice and fluffy.
Spin it. And then you gotta knead it. I haven't got a. I do, I couldn't be fucked pulling it out. You can knead it on the board. I just do it with my hands like this. Just knead air into it. Just go around in circles. See? Hole.
Is that what fluffs it up?
Yeah, and it'll go stick again. You gotta put it back in there.
Oh, it needs to get a
See,
bit...
like you go like you fold it, push it down, fold like you're folding air into it. Same when you're making bread.
Like a taco. He's making a
You're a
taco.
taco.
Yeah.
You're making tacos tomorrow night.
Easy, yeah. Mexican.
I'll be hungry too.
Good. I got 2 packs of tacos.
Wait. Alright. So, roll it back in a ball, pull it into 4 little things.
Yep.
We'll fill it full
Little-
of jam,
Little individual segments.
get a bit of coal action and put it in for about 15 minutes in the camp oven.
Look at it. The oven's on preheating the oven.
And after the hamburgers, we're going to have these for a bloody dessert. So, Hey?
Preheat the oven.
yeah, you got to preheat it, guys.
Yep,
That's
get it going.
It's sitting there, putter. You got to put it in the bloody next to your
Mate,
fire
you
for
need
about
the coals.
10 minutes.
Yeah, you need the fire cranking for a bit. Get your coals going.
That's it. So when you want to break it into 4, you do is you roll it up into a bloody log.
Oh, bog log. We got any nuts going in there? It's
Roll it up into a big one like that. Stretch it out. Well, you just stretch it out because I've got to pull it into 4 things yet. About there.
That's not what you need to do at home, people.
Alright. So first, if you want it to measure it, you just go, that's 2. And if I break it in half again,
That's good logic you got.
that's nearly,
Half.
it's pretty good.
Tough. Close
Do that
enough.
again, mate.
Boom.
Quick maths.
He can count, this fella. He's going places.
In both hands. Alright. Roll them in, little ball. Like that. Give him a little spinny. Oh fuck, did I just go clockwise?
Yep, I think you did.
Idiots.
You undid all your hard work then.
What a fucking moron.
Well, you get that.
That's it.
They're little buns. Nice little
one's
buns.
bigger than the other, eh? Look.
Ah,
Bigger than the
they're
other.
always, one's always bigger than the other.
Alright, do that, and then we put a little hole in them with your finger or whatever you want to use to put a hole in
Look
it.
at it. Mega jam drop.
It's a scone. It's a bush scone.
A bush
Jam
scone.
drop. Fucking
I don't know what it is.
coconut, honey, milk, vanilla essence,
And a fuck ton of
butter.
mess. And a
A lot
mess.
of work for 3 mouthfuls, but
Yeah, but the flavour you're going to taste of them mouthfuls.
I can actually taste it now.
No, it does. It has a bit of hint of honey.
Put a gloss in your turd, this will.
A bit of hint of honey there I can taste. A bit of
Alright.
coconut.
So, we'll just let them sit and rise and do their little thing. And put the jam in when you cook it, because if you put the jam in now, it goes a bit weird.
It is.
I reckon, anyway.
It absorbs.
I think so.
Yeah, it would absorb into the. It would sog it up, mate. You don't get
Put
the
it in.
extra crunch.
That's it. Sometimes you can get a bit of this.
Oh, so
and
you.
then, like make
oh,
little
so
strings
you-
and you can do little crosses
Yeah,
on top,
yeah,
like
yeah.
a little pie.
So you add the jam in while it's cooking.
No, just as you put before you put it in.
Oh, into the oven.
Yeah. It just sits there bubbling.
You don't pre-soak them and
Yeah. All right.
boom.
That's it for now. We're back.
Oh, we've
The
let.
sun's going down.
Sun's down. Jam's
This
out.
is the secret little ingredients.
Oh, don't look. Don't look.
Dessert spoon. What I like to call it, the fun spoon.
Oh, what have we got? Lauren's here pinching stuff. That's the way. That's the way. Get out of me kitchen. Go on.
Your kitchen's at home.
Yeah. Oh, that's a bit of a low blow.
Actually,
Come
he
on.
cooks at home.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
You can tell he loves a bit of cooking.
Sometimes.
Oh, look at the jam oozing. Look at it.
It's all about the oozing.
It's a little bit messy.
So when it
Nah,
cooks, they buff up. They're like, they'll be a lot bigger than that. Like,
Fuck
they'll be
no.
like this.
Is it, but we've let it stand. We've let it sit
Yeah.
and rest. Oh. How long did we let it rest for? Well, obviously the sun's gone down in that time. Yeah, 15, 20.
We got the what we got over there? The
That's,
camp oven.
I'll
Preheating.
have a look at the camp oven he's got going up over here. Check her out. What have we got here? Oh, look at it. Little tasty little oven. We got coals underneath. Here he comes. Oh, what's he doing?
This
Oh, a bit
this
of
is-
non-stick.
You don't put
Bit of
oil in
Teflon.
it.
A bit of Teflon in the fucking
it.
camp oven.
You don't put oil when you're cooking damper.
No oil. That's the
do.
thing. No oil.
You get a burnt bum bum. You will. Black burnt bum.
That's the secret.
I burnt the bum.
Nothing like a fucking good old burnt bum, eh?
You don't want a burnt bum.
Plenty of flour. Preheat it.
Ow.
What's that preheat to? About 180?
Yeah, about 180.
About 180, I think he's got going on.
Call it
there.
180.
We'll call it 180 anyway. Camp 180. Can vary from coal to coal.
It's about 100 at the moment.
It's a volcano.
You got to close them up a bit. There's something in the bush behind you. I heard it before. Go have a look. I reckon it's that goanna coming for those shells, eggs.
I can't see anything. They like to go up.
Yowie.
It could be anything out here.
Could be the Morton Island Yowie.
Morton Island monster, we'll call him. Even. Look at this fella. Salt and pepper. Squid.
Don't, man. Alright. Give him a little bit of a shake up. A shake up, I mean.
Bit of a shake up before the makeup. I can even smell them from here.
Need me. I don't want to burn my finger again. That
Yeah.
was fucking hot.
It's what-
It's all shiny.
That's what happens when you use cast iron, mate. There's no fucking plastic handle on that motherfucker.
So make a man out of you. Let's go.
You're not a man till you've had a man.
Couple.
What are we rapping? Mozzie Butlers. Yeah, Mozzie Butlers. Look at him. Look at him. A bit of fucking rap for the Mozzie Butler. What do you got to
Boys would
say?
be proud.
The Mozzie Butler. Repping the old fucking boys logo there.
Boys would be proud.
Oh, yeah.
Love a good bloody cook up.
Love a good cook up.
Oh, I've got this thing now.
What do we got going on here? Oh, look at that. Is that warm? Hey?
Ow, don't try this at home, guys.
Nah.
Silly little fingers like that.
Little sausage fingers. Sexy little chewed down fingernails.
These fingers are conditioned.
Oh.
Years and years of dumb shit with heat.
Heaps of dumb shit.
Yeah.
They've seen heaps of dumb shit.
Heaps of dumb shit.
Oh, look, he's fucking cranking it.
You gotta get your coals, mate.
Yeah, you gotta reheat the oven. She's preheated. Now we're getting the cooking coals going.
Fuck, that's hot.
The oven's to temperature.
One more scoop for good luck. It goes on.
How hot do you reckon that will get to?
180.
180. 180. And how long do you bake them for?
About 15 or 2 till you can smell it and they start singing till you're going.
Oh, you gotta listen. You gotta listen to them.
You gotta listen to the smell.
It's all about the cook and the smell.
Be like, oh,
Oh, I
jam
think
drop
they're.
time.
Oh, I think they're ready.
fucking jam drop
Can
time.
you smell that?
Have a look at that.
Let's have a look in his little oven. He's got. Oh, I can feel the fucking heat of it already. Woo! That was more like 280, not fucking 180. He wants some more. Oh, look at this. This will burn the top evenly, not just the bottom.
Just a couple at the start. We'll put a bit more on later.
Ah, that's the secret, people.
Couple.
Just cooking it evenly. Nobody likes a burnt bottom, as Jaron.
This shovel is, man.
Like he said, nobody likes a burnt bottom.
No one does, man. Never.
Ever.
All right, we'll come back, guys, in another 15 minutes.
Round 3.
Fuck that.
It's not even hot.
I did it before.
Pussy.
No more blisters.
Oh,
Look at this
donut.
steak.
Getting there.
They were massive, mate.
I hope I haven't fucking
Oh, they're looking crunchy.
Go in there.
No, they look like full donuts.
That one.
Yeah, they're like full donuts. Yum.
Let them cool down.
Sorrel's Bakery. Sorrel's Kitchen Drills.
This one.
Yeah, it was a meal for 4, but it's turned into 3.
Have a go at them, sir. Have you ever seen something like that?
He's done well.
Hey,
I can smell it.
have a taste.
Oh, we won't talk about this one.
This one didn't work. It broke.
That's why we call it a baker's dozen, people.
Have a
Oh,
taste.
Baker's dozen.
This one broke.
Mmm. That is good.
It's just like a scone.
A bit of butter on that and
Cream.
Oh,
Got cream. Should be out of hand.